Alright, so today we are actually finally gonna do a following someone's makeup tutorial. Yay! I know that James Charles released his new palette, but I already have the Morphe 35B and I haven't really touched it yet, so I feel like there's no point in me getting the James Charles palette since this palette is very similar to James Charles palette. Being that I have the 35B already, I may as well try create his look that he did for his makeup palette campaign thingy majiggy. I've already done the base makeup, I've done the foundation, eyebrows, nose. I haven't done lips yet, but we can figure out the lips later on. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're following a James Charles makeup tutorial. This is the 35B palette. As you guys can see, there's a lot of colors to play with. I'm not too sure if these colors are going to be in, you know, his tutorial. Like, I don't know if I can do the exact look, but we'll see. Okay, let's get started.
A few months ago, which I thought was so funny. So major shout out to all the artists out there for giving me a little bit of promo before my product was even out. No,
oh yes, by the way, I use code sister for this palette. Code sister for 10% off. Code James. What did I say? What did I say? Code James for 10% off Morphe.
I'm first gonna grab an M433 brush and dip into the shade Escape, and I'm going to pop this right on the outer corner.
Okay, well, I'm colorblind, so I don't know what that color is. Like, why does it look purple in the palette, but then on his brush it looks like a dark blue? By the way, guys, if you don't know already, I'm actually colorblind, so this might be a little bit of struggle. And also, my brushes are not clean. I should have cleaned them before I did any of this, but whatever. So I think it's a purple. I think this one would be the closest one. Or this one. I think this one would be the closest one, so I'm just gonna use this one. Wait, is that a blue? I don't know.
I'm going to pop this right on the outer corner and start to like imagine it's gonna be like the outer V. I normally don't apply shadows like this either, but moving on, we're gonna come back to that in a little bit. Now that the purples all play.
Okay, hold on, James. Hold on, sister. I don't know why I would use a big brush. I would never use a big brush like that, but whatever. Okay, so something I forgot, and I'm really curious to see how this look turns out, is I obviously have Asian eyes, and I have different eyes than James Charles. So where his eyes work well being lifted, my eyes work well if I go downwards, because Asian eyes. So I'm really curious to see how his look transfers onto me and how his techniques transfer onto me.
I'm next gonna grab another M433 brush and dip into the shade Single, which is that lighter purple shade, and I'm gonna use this to lightly diffuse out the edges.
Lightly diffuse.
I'm just gonna chuck that right into the crease as well. We're gonna come back to that a little bit. Now that the purple's always on the outer corner and it's all set in place, I'm just going to grab another 4 brush and dip into B, which is the light yellow shade. This is by far the
okay, hold on, sister. I'm still like trying to finesse this shit. Like, his one looks good and my one looks bad. We need to fix my wing because my thing is not working. Okay, like, I got the diffusing thing right, like the blending, sorta. I can't get this a wing. This is looking bad. I don't know how he got a sharp line with a big brush like that. Like, James explained. Also, I don't have a lot of eyelid space now that I think about it compared to James. We can always fix this later. Like, this is looking shit, but we're gonna fix it later.
Try to look at this. Ready?
So he got a yellow.
So good! Oh my god. Like, literally, you're kidding me. And I'm just gonna plop this right on my inner corner, kind of blending it into the nose contour as well, and just pulling this up right into that crease region.
Oh, that's the reason why I don't like using big brushes, because it's like my eyes just can't fit the big brushes. Why is his one just so much more pigmented than my one? My yellow is not showing. I guess I'm just gonna stamp in the color first, and then I'll try blend it because his yellow is just so pigmented compared to mine.
I'm gonna dip this shade right into the bright red, which is called You're Kidding. Why is it called that? You're gonna find out when I put this on.
Well, I don't have a true red. I'm going to use the same yellow brush. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm actually gonna use this same blue brush and like clean off as much as I can. Wait, was that blue or purple? It was probably purple. Oh, why is his one so much better blended? Like, how does he like get it blended so well on the first go? Like, sister, explain.
So now I'm going to take my favorite brush of this entire collection in my makeup collection, and they all are covered. The M456, which is literally the M433's baby.
Get on with it, sister.
Or for people like me who have big eyes but like to do kind of detailed.
Big eyes, can't relate.
I'm gonna dip this brush into the shade Skip, which is the bright neon pink.
Bright neon
this
pink.
to connect the red and diffuse out that edge of the purple.
Okay, bright neon pink. I'm going to assume it's this color. So as you guys can see, he has so much space to work with where I'm already touching my freaking eyebrow.
I'm gonna grab my other M456 that comes in the collection and dip into the shade Escape. This is the darker purple shade, and I'm gonna pop this right in the outer V to start creating some dimension. I'm just gonna—
Okay, creating dimension. Do I have a brush like that? No, I don't. I actually don't. I could use this, I guess. No, we're not. We're gonna use the same pink shade and go into that dark purple again. I don't know if this is going well. Like, is this going well? I don't know. Whatever, we're continuing.
For my outer corner, I'm gonna grab my M506 brush from the brush set. I love this tiny brush for blending out the outer V and dip into a little bit of the shade Spooky, the black shade.
I have a black. Just a tiny bit.
M224 brush, this is my favorite concealer, and just a thick white concealer. And I'm just gonna go right in on the inner corner.
I guess he's gonna cut the crease.
A little bit bigger.
Okay, we're cutting the crease. All I have is this, but it's dirty. Because I'm a cheap bitch, I don't own a brush that is clean and like his to cut crease. I'm gonna use my broken ass Instant Age Rewind from Maybelline and use like these cotton thingamajiggies, so that's how we're gonna cut the crease. I don't really know how well this is gonna go, so we're just gonna hope for the best. Actually, it's going pretty okay. Oh, I spoke too soon.
And then grabbing an M431, this is the little pencil brush from the kit. I'm going to grab a tiny bit more of that concealer on the paintbrush. I just dab a little bit off, and I'm going to go in and actually diffuse out those edges because I don't want this to be a cut crease. I want it to be like a paper cut crease.
I don't have a clean brush, so I'm just gonna use like these little thingies to dab dab dab. Like, I'm a fucking resourceful, smart, cheap queen.
I really wanted to make a super pigmented white eyeshadow because I feel like these are really hard to find. And I also decided to place it in the middle row as well because a lot of you guys love using white when it comes to—
I'm just gonna use my finger to go into white.
And dip into the shade Acapella, which is our metallic blue shade. And I'm
Hold
gonna give it a
on.
little bit of a spritz.
I need to blend this out. Okay, good enough.
Using the Morphe Prep and Set, and I'm gonna pack this shade right on here.
Like a metallic blue shade.
Then on our dirty M456, I'm gonna grab the shade Cola, which is our dark blue matte shade. I'm obsessed with this color. It is obviously named after Pepsi, my favorite soda. And just pop it right in there to make sure the purple and blue are blended together. And then going back in and blending this edge.
Okay, so he did the blue metallic and then a dark blue matte. And then a dark blue to blend it all together.
And on that same brush, I'm next gonna grab the shade Hello. And
Hello. What color is that? Like, what? Is that a pink or like what? Is that a light blue? I don't know what color that is. I literally cannot tell. Is that a blue or pink? I can't tell. A baby blue shimmer. Well, I don't have a light blue shimmer, so we're going to use the Thirsty palette. We can use this color. Sorry, I just don't have that color, so screw it.
Just to add some more dimension to the lid, I'm going to use the Peaches and Cream glitter base and a few different glitters that I have. This one is from In Your Dreams.
I don't have glitters. I don't have any loose glitters, but I have Jeffree Star glitters.
Right over top of the white. Grabbing a little bit of that chunkier glitter from In Your Dreams, just going to pop that on. Just lightly dabbing that on as well. I do want to show the glitter reflex, but I don't want my eyelid to literally feel crusty because that's...
I could use this color then, but I don't know.
And just finally, some super chunky pieces from the craft store. Just here and there.
Well, I don't have a glitter, so I'm just gonna use a Jeffree Star thingamabobsery. How's that? Actually not that bad, that's actually pretty good. What? Actually not that bad, that's actually pretty good.
And then to finish off the upper lash, then we're just gonna grab a liquid black liner and just go right over that to hide the lashes that we're gonna put on in a little bit.
Oh, he didn't even do that much of a liner, so I guess it's just like a tiny one. What's next, sister?
A little bit of the excess purple shade on it and just dip one more time into Single. And I'm gonna use this to...
Wait, what was that again? Single? That's me.
Brush, dipping into the shade Brother, the bright blue shade. I love this
bright blue shade.
color. It is obviously named after Sister Ian. I'm just going to pop this right up against that lower lash next to the purple. This is another one of those shades.
So the bright blue shade, as in this one I'm assuming.
And then with the M152, this is a tiny brush, but I love this. For buffing out the lower lash line, I'm gonna dip into the bright green shade, which is called Social Blade. In honor of all of you guys and my crazy growth throughout this past year, gotta say green always. And I'm going to pop this right next to that blue, blending it in, and also creating a faux inner corner as well.
His green seems lighter, so I'm just gonna add some white to it.
To one brush and dip into a little bit more of that white concealer, and I'm going to use this to create a new lower lash line.
White concealer? Oh wait, he was using white concealer the whole time? I could just have used Jeffree Star's Drug Lord. I think that's it.
Dip into the dark green shade, which is
dark green shade.
The white over top of the green area. And then using that same brush, gonna dip into Cola and do the same thing in the blue. And then
Cola's a blue. Not going to lie, I don't really know what I'm doing.
Same thing with Escape in the purple. Using a tiny bit more of that Peaches glitter glue, I'm just going to pop some right on top of that white as well, just so everything is like flowing nicely together. Just gonna pop on a quick coat of a mascara, and then just pop.
Is he gonna leave that white there? Then I should have just used Drug Lord. Okay, I guess he's just leaving it there. Well, I guess we should use Drug Lord then. Oh, by the way, my hands are dirty. I just put Drug Lord on my hand, and I guess we go in. I don't know, this isn't working. I don't know if this is working. Then I'll just go back into dark green, I guess, and to redo everything. Oh, we're just gonna leave it like that, like, I don't know.
Alright, you guys, and that is one eye of this Unleash Your Inner Artist campaign look all complete. I'm gonna go do the other one off camera quickly to save some time, and I'll be right back to finish off the rest of this look.
Does this even look good? Did I do it right? I mean, on camera, it looks okay. Like, on camera, you guys can't even see my mistakes. You can't see how bad it is, but, like, in person, like, it's just a mess. Maybe the lashes will save ourselves.
We're back. I just finished.
Okay, he didn't go, like, he went for long but separated so you can still see the look. I don't have that, so I'm going to use more of a natural type of lash. I'm gonna use this, like, these natural type of lashes. I also don't know how to put on lashes properly. I'm sorry, I don't know how to put on lashes. Like, I don't know how to put on lashes. What do you guys think? I just need to go over that lash line because you can see. How's that?
It
didn't make any difference. Do you guys even see the lashes? Like, did it even make a difference? You guys see it? I don't know if you guys can see it. We're just gonna leave it like this. I can't be bothered fixing it. So time to do the other eye. My eyelashes keep coming off! My eyelashes aren't sticking. I've been streaming for 2 hours, bitch. I've been streaming for 2 hours. I give up on my eyelashes. This is just how it's gonna be. This is just... I don't have a bronzer, so if I look like a ghost, I don't have a bronzer. Oh my god, and we're finally done with the eyeshadow look. What do you guys think? We need to do lips. What do we think? Oh my god, we're finally done. What do you guys think? Oh, by the way, guys, I need to do an outro maybe. I just need to do an outro just to see. I can't. This look took... I suck at this. I suck at this. This look took... Why can't I say it? This look took forever. And... this is my outro. You know, goodbye. Love you, bye.